Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your photos with Picsart Replay. But before we start, I'm going to tell you what is Picsart Replay. So the Picsart Replay is a feature that allows users to recreate the editing steps of other users on their own images. So users can also create their own custom presets using the Replay feature. So to use Replays to edit your photos, you can just first launch the Picsart applications on your phone. So the replays can be found in the home feed of Picsart. You can see this is where replay are. So the hashtag cloud on the explore page on the official Picsart account, or by looking for the replay icon on the top right corner of any edit. So you can just find the replay in here, but if you're only using Picsart for free, or you are not subscribing the Picsart Pro, you can see in here I'm not subscribing into the Pro. You can see there are some replays that only use or uses some of the Pro features. So when I try to use this, they will ask me to join or subscribe the Picsart Pro first. So let's just find the Picsart replay that I'm going to try. Let's try this one. For example, you can just find the replay that you want to recreate, and then here you can click on it and then tap on choose my photo, or you can also directly click on the try button at the bottom of the replay. Let's click on try. Then you can just select the photos to edit. For example, in here, I'm going to find one. I'm going to use, this one. For example, this photo. You can just click on it and then an app will pop up, of course, because I'm using a free Picsart. Okay, and so it will ask you to follow the editing steps of the replay. So the first one is cropping. You can see this is the step one. Click on check icon or click on next at the bottom, and the next one is our applying the effects. In this case is a mirroring. You can always adjust it if you want to modify, and then you can tap on next again. Then the last one is again effects. Click on next again. Okay, so this is the result of the replay that I'm using. You can just tap on this drop down, this arrow down, to save the result. So that's all from me. That's how you can edit your photos with Picsart Replay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.